Alrighty, welcome back, YouTubers, to
another episode on
another
the Kawasaki.
episode of JJ's shop on the Kawasaki. So,
Who are you?
Huh?
What's your name?
Oh, I'm Jordy.
Jeffrey.
Welcome back. Yeah, you're right. I get a little excited there. Anyway, so we just removed this jet right here from the Kawasaki. Not sure, I don't know what all these jets do. I really don't. But I'll tell you right now.
Sent to me like a main jet and a pilot jet.
There's going to be a main jet. There's going to be an idle jet.
Sure.
So I can see through that one. I can see through that one.
Yeah.
So we can see through there.
Can
we see through that? Yep, we can see through there.
I know there's two jets.
Yeah. So
the main and the pilot.
Exactly. So what
I
was trying to do earlier, when we had this carburetor apart, Jeffrey, is that?
Hey.
Is that? And I did just that.
Easy.
But there was juice coming out the end there, Jeffrey. That's good. That's good. That one's clean. But is the passage clean?
That's a good question.
Here we go again. Here we go again.
Oh.
Well, I don't know.
I saw some.
Where? Oh, there we go. That's where we want it, Jeffrey.
Yep.
That's where we want it.
Yep.
Came out of which one? That one or
Yeah.
that one? That little one right there?
I think so.
Okay. Well, that's good.
I kinked toe.
Or did it come out of that one?
Yes.
You don't know. Okay. Watch again. We'll skirt you.
Yep.
Which one?
This one down here.
The little one?
Yep.
Really?
Yep.
Well, that's cool.
Well, sure.
That's cool.
Is it?
Sure. We got some coming out there as well.
That's good.
Yeah. Well, Jeffrey, I'm gonna have to call everything. Clean there. We've already done the main jet. We didn't really need that. We were gonna. So this is what we normally use for.
Might as well.
Yeah, cleaning our carburetors. Another feller or two on YouTube have showed us this little trick. But if you use these, we got all kinds of different sizes of fine wires to clean out your jets here. And these are they're not really files, but they're ribbed, if you will. They will give you some that will give you the ability to kind of scrape in there a little bit and clean those out. They're for torches. For cleaning the tips of our torches. But
things can be used for multiple reasons.
Exactly. It gets used for this as well. But what we found out here now is that we have everything working again. So this jet flips back down in there.
Yep.
And we're going to tighten her back in. How many onions are we going to give her there, Jeffrey?
Good and tight.
We're going to use
good.
We're going to use German torque on this.
On the Kawasaki?
Yep.
Sure.
Good and tight. Just like that. Good and tight is good. Perfect.
Good enough for us.
Good enough. All righty. So, I'm going to be completely honest with Jeffrey and say that's just about as far as we need to go.
Yeah.
So our needle is working now. It's not sticking anymore.
You want to install it now?
I think we're going to install it, Jeffrey.
Sounds like a great
We're going to put this thing back together.
Yep.
And install it. So we got that pretty well cleaned out now. That looks good in there.
Much better.
Much better. We should be okay with reusing this rubber gasket because we haven't really put any miles or anything on it. We've done maybe 1 or 2 heat cycles on it, if that. And that's about it. So So we're going to go back together here, stick her back on the bike, and see if we've fixed anything.
I hope
Don't
so.
know if it's fixed, but
It's different.
it's different.
Can a couple fellers get lucky?
There you go. Yeah. Junkyard Digs actually has a sticker, and it says that now.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's their saying. So sorry, Junkyard.
That's a good one.
Yeah, we don't want any copyright infringements or anything, so I'll give you guys the the nod for that one. If you haven't checked out Junkyard Digs, you should. Pretty good group of guys there. They're getting ready to do their, if they haven't done it already, they're getting ready to, I think, do their snowmobile thing out there up in, I think, Minnesota or something like that.
Oh.
Yeah. They take these old antique snowmobiles and get them running.
Hey.
Yeah, and they all go out.
The mountains?
Yeah, no.
Oh.
There ain't no mountains in Minnesota, man.
Yeah.
Come on.
Yeah, but they
Ain't
get
no
snow there.
mountains. No, they go on the frozen lake and frozen tundra, and you know.
We would need to go up to the mountains.
We would need to go up to the
Maybe that's
mountains.
something we should do.
Someday, I wouldn't
Maybe.
mind it. I've been up there a few times. You ever been snowmobiling, Jeffrey?
Nope.
Oh, a lot of fun. All right, Jeffrey, we're all back together here. Do we want to do this tonight? Do I want to put this back on and do this tonight, Jeffrey?
Good.
Or do we say, yeah. Okay. Well, let's go ahead and get started with it. What do you say? We're
No.
close, right? We're close. We're close to doing something here. We don't know what, but we're close to this. Is my throne over there?
What?
Are my tools over there?
That's a good question.
Do we have anything that we need over there? Oh, we need that, don't we? Don't we need that?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Maybe.
That
Yes.
one goes
No.
not there. That one
Yes.
goes there.
Yeah, we do.
That one goes there, right? Right?
Sure. Yeah. I'll go with you. Right?
Yeah. And that clamp really isn't good for anything but holding you up when you try and put that back on. But we made it, Jeffrey. Okay. And this one is in the bike still, right? This is the clear one that goes.
Sure.
Or no, it isn't. Is that it? No, that's not it. Is that it? No, that's not it. Is that it? No, that's not it. Okay. I think it's in the bike already, Jeffrey.
Sure.
We didn't take everything. We thought we did.
Just in case.
We thought we were going to, but we didn't. Okay. Here we go.
Okay. No, let's come on.
Here we go. Oh. One thing. What are we going to do here, Jeffrey? What are we going to do? Couple things.
What? Oh. Yeah. Good idea.
What's that for?
Put around the
What's that do?
little rubber tube.
That lets it slip right in the intake
Yeah. Hopefully.
with no effort whatsoever, right? Matter of fact, if I just get it close enough, it'll suck it right in, right? Right?
Something like that.
That's what I.
Hey, what'd you do?
I don't know. What was it? I saw something go that way. Something on the floor. It's on the floor. We didn't need it, right?
Sure.
Right?
Something like that.
Okay.
Okay.
Man. Yeah, go ahead.
White.
I don't know. I mean, I kind of remember how to hold my mouth on this, what language to speak. While putting it back on.
Yeah.
I'm trying to hit the Harley, Jeffrey. I'm trying. Trying hard.
Trying
Okay.
hard or hardly?
Harder.
Hardly.
Yeah. Okay.
Hardly
We're putting that
works.
one in there first, right?
Some people say that hardly work. Right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. And I know we took that out with all this in here, but it feels like,
Didn't you take it through the other side? Off through the other side?
yeah. And I'll tell you, I can't really remember here, Jeffrey.
Why not?
I think that this can be put on once the bike is, or once the carburetor is installed, but I don't really remember because this thing really gets messed around when you're trying to install the carburetor and install this.
Apparently.
Yeah. And so it's it almost seems to me, yeah, see how that, okay, that works if you do that.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So it almost seems to me it'd be better if we install it afterwards. It
Yeah.
really gets banged around and pushed around, and that cable gets
Yeah.
moved in all kinds of different directions and stuff, right?
Yep.
If you try and install this carburetor in there, did it come in this way or did I bring it in from that way? I brought it in from this way, right?
Yeah.
Right?
I believe so.
I believe so too. I believe so too, Jeffrey. Yes, because here's the clear hose over here still.
Mm-hmm. Told you.
Yeah. You are correct, sir. You are correct.
Again.
Again. I want to say,
Ooh.
put that up there. On there like that. Right?
Maybe.
And then I know that it seems like it would be a lot easier. That air block was out of the way.
Uh-huh.
Remove that again. I know. Seems like I have to put this in
How many times?
too many times. Too many times.
Should be getting good at it.
You would think by now I am. But I'm really not. I'm really not.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Got the carburetor back on?
We do have the carburetor back on.
And the gas tank.
And the gas tank.
Does she need a little more fuel?
She might. She might.
Hmm.
Hmm. I don't think we're getting any gas, Jeffrey.
Yep.
I don't think we're getting any gas. We can find that out for a fact here in just a second. That right there states that we are not getting any gas.
Might need to go get more fuel.
Might. Okay, the vacuum part's working.
Is that good?
Yeah.
Sure.
Just we might need some more gas.
Yep.
That might be what's going on here, Jeffrey.
That's what I think.
That's what I think too. Okay. I'll hold. I just need to get that up there a little bit further. There we go. Okay, I'll call that good. All right. Okay. See, we emptied our last one.
I wonder why.
Generator, power.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah.
We had a little power outage.
We
recently.
certainly did. We had some wind up here that was something else. So,
Yep.
Jeffrey, I think we should cut this one right here, right now.
Okay.
We'll have to get some fuel. Fuel her up again, and then come back out and click her off and see how things go.
Yep.
Sound like a winner?
Yep.
All righty. We'll cut this one. Again, we just threw the carburetor back on after cleaning it all up. We didn't want to show you guys that. We've done that
Again.
like 200 million times now. So, as well as threw the gas tank on. So we'll end this one right here, and we'll start it up again when we got fuel in the tank, and give her a crank and see how that carburetor works now.